here with you for another unboxing in my new office. Stay with us. Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I am Shirley with Holistic Transformations Massage, also known as Jolly with Jolly's Healing Touch. Here with another great unboxing for my February Essential Rewards purchase with Young Living. So if you are back, if you are new, welcome. If you are back, check out my new office setup. I'm so excited. This is great. So let's get right into it. Here we are. So I have my box set up right underneath my desk, which is great because I have everything together away from the little one. So I'm so excited about my work center, my new office. So, all right, so bear with me. Let me get this opened. Look at this. In my office, I can just pull out my scissors. So organized. I mean, I'm so excited about being here and sharing this with you. So here we go. Let's try this. Trying to catch a bit of light left. So we start with our Thieves hand foam wash. So here we have my foaming hand soap refill, which I don't think I got my last one. I think I got 2 months ago. So it goes a long way. I refill my little bottles, which I think I've shown before, and I'll link that video. And I'll also post it in the description box below. So you have that. And we have, I told you, right? I said, this is a doable budget for most homes. I have my nutrition here and I have my hand soap. So I won't have to buy this next month. I'll buy this. I'll keep buying this. So next month, you know, I'm still good with cleaner. We'll see if I need the house cleaner. That goes a long way as well. And some personal items. We'll see. Everything is lasting me a long time. So I probably will just purchase next month items for my membership club, really, because, you know, so far I think, and of course my juice, so that's going to be the consistent and the variable to stay in my budget. Also, I have my husband's essential rewards, so let me show you that too. Isn't that nice? I can keep it all on my desk. Super excited about that. I'll stop talking about my desk. We got a lot more stuff. Oh yes, that's right. So in my husband's order, I got a lot more things for my giveaways, a lot more things for my membership clubs, like our Thieves Spray. I'll just post pictures because this is horrible. You can't really see any of these. So I will post pictures of this. Yeah, so I got a few of these. I got 3. And I've got 3 hand sanitizers. So right? It's hand sanitizers. So I gave out a few in my last hangout, our live hangout. And so, oh, what's this again? What is this? Did I order this? Thieves laundry soap. I sure did. So I really wanted to try Young Living's laundry detergent. So I got it, and wow, I didn't realize it would be in a box. How cute. How adorbs. Well packaged, did not spill at all. So I'm really curious to see how long this will last because I do a lot of laundry. We're potty training. So I do a lot of laundry. So I really want to see how long this lasts. So I'm really excited to try this. It is, oh gosh, I'm trying this without my glasses. So organized, right? I am. Okay. So I wanted to see how many ounces. 32 ounces. Okay. Let's see. 64 loads. 6 times extra ultra concentrated. This is for 64 loads, man. Oh my. Okay. Free from SLS, dyes, petrochemicals, formaldehyde, phosphates, synthetic perfume, and optical brighteners. Hello. Okay, I do see citron limon, that's lemon, bergamot peel, lemon peel, clove, cinnamon bark. I'm excited to wash my clothes with this stuff. Rosemary, I'm super excited. Okay, they have directions, and you see how super cute and small the cap is. That's how I get 64 loads. Wow, I'm really excited about this. Okay, so there we have it. And again, my husband's about 50 PV, more or less. I may have gone a little bit over, and I'm 100 PV, more or less, okay? So, yeah, pretty good here I got. So, I've unboxed my Ninja Red box before, but let me do this again. It's always great to see these beautiful bottles, just in case you haven't seen them before. Talk a little bit about more. So have I told you that my husband and I have been taking Ninja Red every morning now for about, this might be the beginning of our 4th month. So the results have really been noticeable. I feel more energy, my quality of sleep feels better. Like I feel like I sleep deeper and longer. I feel tired at night, so I go to bed and I wake up energized, you know, and I just feel like I have more energy throughout the day. Around that 3 o'clock slump, if I hadn't taken it in the morning, I make sure to take it by 3 o'clock so I don't get that kind of feeling. I'm trying to stay away from coffee, even though I would like to have coffee when I feel like it once in a blue moon, not to have energy, not to wake up, not to just feel, you know, ready to go. I'd rather get something natural like this Ninja Red juice. So it's been really, really helpful. Let's see this nice, really nice thing. Right. So my Ninja Red, cheers. I have my 3 hand sanitizers, my laundry detergent, so excited to use that. My Ninja Red, we're doing so well with this. It's been a great addition to our nutrition supplements. Our Thieves hand washing refill, and our Thieves Spray. So I don't know if I've talked about this spray. I love this spray. I keep it in my purse. And I just spray my car when I get in. Let's say I go into the grocery store and I come back into the car, I just spray the car spray, you know, one time, and I can get to breathe in the essential oil. But usually try to spray my keyboard, my doorknobs. This is really great. So, and just the common areas that you just want to make sure before you touch. This is a great spray. You don't use this like a cleaner. One spray just to disinfect really quickly a common used area. So I love it. Can't wait for you to try it. Another great use is if you're in an office that clients come in or customers come in, you know, once it's been cleared out, you can spray it, or before they come in, you can spray it, and it's a nice way to really clear the room and just put a nice sense of rosemary and clove and lemon into your room and freshen the room, refreshen the room. It's a nice way to also just to breathe and help you breathe and get some of those essential oils into your system. So I finish up, I wrap up, I finish up video, I take pictures, and it's probably less light now because I'm telling you, this is close to the end. And I look at my box, getting ready to like throw away my box, and I see there's another thing that I did not order here. Now I should have looked at my invoice. They gave me a free gift. Isn't that nice? So I got a free gift from Young Living. Look at this cute little sachet they put it in, Seed to Seal. And it's longevity. Longevity. Isn't that beautiful? Just out of the blue. Just because of my purchase, I received a Young Living free essential oil. That's what I love about Young Living. Every once in a while, they just send you free stuff. Like $100 purchase, I get free shipping. So I also get a free longevity this month. That's super cool. So I'm so excited. I love my gift. I can't wait to try it out. If you want to know more, if you want to know how it smells, want a description, want a review, make sure you comment. And remember to check us out on Instagram at Jolly Shanti or Holistic Transformations Massage, where we share our regular giveaways that we have. We also have special giveaways for our membership club. Have I told you about our membership club? It is really rocking. We have a nice group of women who we're talking about essential oils, we're talking about self-care, we're talking about how to care for ourselves, how to make time for ourselves, and how to make that an everyday practice. So we're starting nice and with a nice flow and a nice energy. Please come and join us. Check out the description below for our website on more information on our membership program. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. See you later. Be well.